and today I'm going to be looking at the new HP MediaSmart Connect, and this is a pre-production unit I've got here, so this is not in the final packaging, and also the case design isn't the final imprint design as you've seen in HP's newer laptops and devices. Have kind of got that fine sort of etching and graining on them that's really nice, but so this is just got a plain black finish for this unit. So what I'm going to do is going to have a quick look what's in the box, and then I'm going to connect it up to my media center machine and we'll see what it does. Okay, so let's have a look in the box. So this is a pre-production unit, so it's not got the final packaging. Let's see what we've got in here. Right, so in the middle here we've got the main unit. So let's have a look at that. Now this has got some protective covering on it here, so I'm going to show you this here. So let's just, if I peel that, you can see what that's like on there. Very nice finish. And if I lift this back here, you should get an idea of the imprint. I think that is going to be all over the final unit. I'll leave that on for now. So let's have a look what we've got here. So we've got space there for a media drive bay, so this is the portable hard disk that you can put straight into here and consume content straight off. So unlike some of the other extenders, the content can go straight into here without connecting it up to the PC first if you're using one of those drive bays. And down here on this unit we've got a resolution between 1080i and 720p and a USB port. We'll give that a try after, but again that's a way of getting content straight into here. So taking a look at the back, we've got a reset button, power, optical output for the audio, HDMI, component video, analog audio, Ethernet, and another USB port. So let's have a look, see what else is in the packaging. Okay, first we've got a HDMI cable, that's nice if that's included, and a power adapter. And then in this side here we've got quite a nice looking remote control, so let's take that out of the bag. Let's have a look at that. So here's the remote control. So you can see from here this is a nice looking remote control, actually a lot more buttons on it than some of the others. So we've got the media center button on there. We've got some other controls, control source and devices, recorded TV, so, and there's batteries included, so we'll have a look at that in action in a moment. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect that up to my media center machine and we'll have a look what it's like out of the box. So before I power this up, I just thought I'd take all the packaging off so you can have a better look at it. So you can see the finish of it here. I was trying to show you that ingrained pattern thing that the unit's going to have on it. So here you can see the size of it now and the finish of it. It's a very nice, neat looking box. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect it up to my TV that I normally connect my Xbox 360 up to, and we'll have a look at the user interface and what it can do. So the first thing that it's asking is the language, and I'm going to show you the screen res at the moment, but I think it's running in 1080i at the moment. So I'm going to apply the setup on there. I'll show you the remote as well in a minute, but nicely it zooms in and out. Okay, I'm going to turn the sound up on my TV. Right, so it's asking me to do the PC setup and the network setup. So it's doing the PC setup, so I guess it's going to scan now for PCs on the network. Looks like I'm going to have to go and install the software. So let's have a look at doing that and I'll come back to this. Yeah, so let's run the setup. Interesting note that the Windows Media Connect icon down here has spotted the machine, and it's saying we can share that. But I'm going to follow the exact wizard that comes with the CD. So we accept licensing, and it's telling us about unblocking network ports and so on, but we can leave that for now. And this is saying that it recommends to share your media with your media center with your MediaSmart device, so you need to set the authority for that. That's really, I think, enabling sharing, which is already enabled on this machine. And now I can skip the product registration and exit. So now I'll take the camera down and let's have a look at the TV. So let's continue the setup now. So I'm doing next. And I've got this plugged in via my Ethernet cable, level wireless, either later in the video or in a future video. So it looks like it's doing an update now. Okay, we're connected to the wired network, and it looks like it's going to do a restart now. This is a pre-production unit, so I think it's just done an update. Right, so let's finish the wizard off. So what it's showing us there is on the remote control head. We've got two sections really for the extender. We've got Windows Media Center, which we use the green button as indicated on the remote, and then we've got the MediaSmart. And the MediaSmart is a server that I think will consume content from more than one device at once, unlike Media Center where it's a one-to-one connection. So we'll continue with the setup. So now we're going to do the extender setup part. So follow the wizard, and I think this is going to now, if it's like the other devices, yep, it's giving me a code to go to the Media Center machine, enter that code. So I'm going to go and do that.